To resolve issues with a Shark vacuum cleaner not picking up dirt, several potential causes and solutions should be considered. The vacuum's height adjustment may be the problem, as setting it too high or too low for a given surface can affect its ability to lift dirt effectively. To address this, consult the user manual to locate the height adjustment control and determine the suitable setting for the surface being cleaned. Make the necessary adjustments and test the vacuum to ensure it can pick up dirt properly. Another possible issue is a blocked, bent, or worn-out hose. To investigate this, separate the hose from the unit and examine it carefully using a flashlight. Straighten any bends gently and look for signs of damage. Minor tears can be sealed with duct tape or an adhesive, but if the hose is extensively worn out, it may need to be replaced. Additionally, check for signs of clogs in the hose and manually remove any blockages, or use a vacuum to do so. A third potential cause is dirty filters, as a clogged filter can lose its suction power. Consult the user manual to locate each filter in the vacuum and gently tap the dirt off over a trash bin. If the unit has foam filters, rinse them with lukewarm water and no soap. Let them dry, and then put them back in place. By considering these possible causes and taking the necessary steps to address them, it should be possible to resolve the issue with the Shark vacuum cleaner not picking up dirt.